All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 1943, State versus Isaac Chavez. Can I have parties announced?
Peter Calderola for Mr. Chavez, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Chavez?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Isaac Chavez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 1943 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 2, 4 to 200 grams on April 15, 2024 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 1, on or about the 20th day of February 2026 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Isaac Chavez committed the offense of driving while intoxicated in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1? Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, judges, the proposed agreement is to grant state's motion, enter an adjudication of guilt, revoke supervision, and sentence to 5 years in the prison.
And that was our understanding, Your Honor.
All right. Any objection to the court reviewing the court summary?
No objection, Your Honor.
Does anyone have a court? Thank you. How old are you?
22 years old.
Sorry, what did you say?
22.
22. Have you ever been to prison before?
No.
All right. I'm going to give you a choice. These are your only choices. 1, I'll follow your agreement, revoke you, sentence you to 5 years in prison, or either you're going to remain in custody and go to safety.
5 years, Your Honor.
Okay. And you've had a chance to think about that?
Yes, ma'am. For a moment.
All right. Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yeah.
And counsel, I don't want to interfere in attorney-client privilege,
Yes, Your Honor.
but have you had a chance to speak to him about safety?
We did briefly discuss it, Your Honor.
And you want prison over treatment? I mean, and if that's the way you feel, that's fine. I just want you to understand the gravity of the choices you're making.
Yes, ma'am. And Judge, if I may just have a brief moment to confer with
Sure.
my client, just very briefly.
Sure.
Okay. Ready.
Right. Do you need any more time to discuss anything with him?
No, Your Honor.
All right, the court then will revoke, find you guilty, sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. I'll retain jurisdiction.
Thank you, Judge.
And the court will recommend the therapeutic community. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
You have, because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes. Court is calling 2025 CR 0145523, State versus Aaron Allen. Can I have parties announced?
Melissa Christian for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Allen?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Allen, you were before the court previously and you said that maybe you were going to hire a different attorney. Have you had ample opportunity to confer with Attorney Christian?
Oh, yes, ma'am, I have.
And do you wish to continue to enter a plea in this case with Attorney Christian as your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge, yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Allen, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? It appears that you are.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Allen, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance penalty group 2, 1 to 4 grams. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do believe.
Mr. Allen, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's $1,000 fine probated, and the state is recommending deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense state?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand any such motions?
No, ma'am.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There be 100 hours community service restitution, the DLEP course, and MRT. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? To the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Plead offer state exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objections.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. After reviewing the same, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, please, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, Mr. Allen is, I think he's employed and he's looking to go back to school. He has 2 children that he is supporting. This was an unfortunate incident. I do not believe you'll see him again, so we're asking the court to follow the plea bargain and give him the deferred adjudication.
All right. Are you employed? What do you do?
I was doing marketing. I was going door to door.
Mhm.
I was working for my neighbor, but I believe they're gonna probably end up doing something else. So for the meantime, I am looking for a job. But as far as that, yes, ma'am. I'm trying to find some employment.
All right. If you're drug tested today, what would the results be?
I'll be there.
All right. When's the last time you used?
Like 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago.
All right. So you're not allowed to use while you're on probation. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And do your children live with you?
Okay. But they do come over every weekend.
All right. And is it just you and them or anyone else is there?
No, it's just me.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. 2 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs or the patch. I'm going to want him tested for levels 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm sorry, 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once parenting classes are complete, 100 hours will be deducted. The remaining hours will be deducted. One for every sober support meeting completed. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. TAP evaluation, out of custody, follow results. I'm sorry, recommendations. If the recommendations recommend inpatient, start with intensive outpatient treatment. Proof of employment within 45 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's $1,000 fine, and that will be probated. Probation, anything else?
No, you're right.
Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, ma'am, I just want to know about the classes. Would that be in person or would that be over the phone?
Oh, probation will speak to you about that.
All right.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, so here's the thing, make better decisions. You have people who are depending on you, your children. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank
Will
you.
we excuse?
Yes.
Thank you. Have a good day, and hopefully I don't see you next time. But you stay
Uh-huh.
blessed, okay?
All right, thank you. You stay blessed too. I appreciate that. You just made my day.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you.